Texas's top law enforcer indicted. Sources say a grand jury has charged Ken Paxton on multiple felony charges. We have been breaking details on this case all day. Here's what we know. The New York Times reports that Paxton has been charged with securities fraud and failing to register with the state's securities board. Sources tell us that these charges will be unsealed in McKinney on Monday, and a Tarrant County judge has already been appointed to this case. News 8's Tanya Iser has been following this story from the very beginning. She's joining us now live from the newsroom. And Tanya, I want to start with what this all means.
Well, this is certainly very serious for Ken Paxton. Those first-degree felony charges carry up to 99 years in prison, and the third-degree felony charges goes up to 10 years in prison. So certainly he is facing the fight of his life here.
Tanya, this is just the latest development in a long process. Give us a refresher on where this all started.
Okay, I'm going to walk you through it. This all started with a guy named Fritz Mowry. He's a friend and campaign donor of Ken Paxton's. Ken Paxton had been referring clients, investment clients, to Fritz Mowry without being registered with the state. As a result, last year he acknowledged that he had failed to register with the state. He paid a $1,000 fine and he called an administrative oversight. There was a push for a criminal investigation. Then you saw the Texas Rangers become involved. Special prosecutors were appointed. The special prosecutors say that during that investigation, they uncovered evidence of securities fraud related to a company named Servergy. They're a McKinney-based company, and Paxton owns up to more than 10,000 shares in that company. And what the special prosecutors actually told the New York Times is that he had gotten a group of investors that include a current state rep named Byron Cook to invest more than $600,000. And he's accused of misleading those investors, and that's where these securities fraud charges are arising from.
What can we expect next in this case?
Well, based on what we're hearing, we fully expect that Ken Paxton will turn himself in on Monday. We do believe that's going to happen Monday, although it could happen as soon as tomorrow. Obviously, events are moving very quickly on this story.